Okay, so we have one over here, and as you can see, this is the Saabo, bro Saabo, yeah, bro and Kati Saabo, yeah. So it looks like this, amazing. This is a super snack in Ghana in the afternoon, and man, you love it, Uncle Sam. Hello brothers, sisters, you're Okoro. So I'm back to the fancy land again, and today's recipe is one of the popular snacks we have in Ghana. So I'm in Ekon in the central region of Ghana, and today's recipe is called corn saabo, ebro saabo. The Ghanaians also call it abele kenkati. Man, it's very popular. The Sunyani people or the Bono people also call it in Chechia, like a whole lot of local names to this food. So a few days ago, I posted how to make omo saabo, which is local wrapped rice, and today we'll be doing the conversion of it. This conversion, as I said, is the most popular snack we have in Ghana, especially in the afternoon. Just 2 ingredients and you're good to go. Just the corn and the peanut. And if you don't like peanuts, you can just exclude it and just use or boil only the corn. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's appreciate our local food and be proud of it. Or kodo. So today's program is sponsored by TapTapSend. So TapTapSend is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Europe and Canada or America to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So not only Ghanaians can benefit from this app. If you're a Nigerian, if you're from Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Kenya, Uganda, Togo, Benin, this app is here for you. It's free and reliable. You don't pay anything, no commission, and the exchange rate is also high. As soon as you send a space of 20 seconds to 1 minute, your money should be in Africa. So use the promo code Sindaco, okay, and get yourself £5 or €5 or $10 in your first transaction when you send money back home to your loved ones. So just go to Apple Store or Google Play and download TapTapSend. It's very simple and easy. You only tap and you send, and your family back home will be happy receiving the money. So to do this recipe, you need some corn husk and you have to soak it. It can be overnight or some hours before the preparation of the food. And soaking this softens the corn husk to prevent it from tearing when rolling it up. You can also use plantain leaves, banana leaves, kola leaves, wache leaves, any leaves you think you can boil with it. And also the main important thing is that you have to soak your corn overnight or 3 hours or 4 hours before the starting of the food. But the best option is to soak your corn overnight. This will also soften the corn so that as soon as it gets on fire, it cooks or boils early. You also have to soak your peanuts, but peanut can be soaked like an hour or 30 minutes before the preparation. So these are the basic things that you need to know. As I said, it's a very easy recipe to prepare, and it's really famous and delicious as well, especially in the afternoon. It's so easy. This simple. Okay, so if you don't have the thread or any rope to tie it, you just take some of the corn husk and you fold it like that. Okay, then it went to you have something like this. Wow. Ting. So this is a saabo, okay, corn saabo, corn cake, okay, and this is how the wrapping is done. Okay, so basically you soak the corn. What are you soaking how many hours? 2 hours. So you soak the corn for like 2-3 hours. Okay, you can also soak it overnight if you want it, and you also soak the peanuts. Okay, so take some of the corn husk. Then the peanut goes inside like that. Then the corn also comes inside like that on top. Okay, then you add a bit of the peanuts on top. Then you cover it with some of the corn husk or the corn husk. Okay, then close it like that. Then use the net, the sack rope or the thread. Okay, use thread to tie it like this. And that's good to go. So very simple things with preparation, but you have to know when to soak your corn and the peanuts. That's the only basic thing that you have to, because the more you soak the corn, the more it becomes very easy and quick to boil it. Okay, but when the corn is hard, it takes more hours to boil. This is a typical snack in Ghana, and man, everybody loves it, from fancy to a gans to everybody loves it. Saabo. The CORN SAABO, yeah, the blue one. Anyway, I'll call you up cool already. For the video, I mean, me and Bonkomo. Okay, fine. So the SAABO also continues. So you repeat the same steps and the procedure until all the corn and the peanut is finished. Okay, get finished. And the tying also prevents the water from entering. Okay, that's why you have to tie rope it all around. You can also do without. But without cutting one. So you can also do it without the peanut. If you're not a fan of peanuts, you can also do it without it. So we are done with the wrapping. Yeah, so we're using some of the leaves, okay, to boil. You don't want the CORN to have a direct contact with the pot, okay. Yeah, so it goes in like that. Wow, then this is so straight. I'm fan to these two are okay. So you place them vertically, okay, so that this will prevent water from entering. So vertically arrangement, anyway. So we added salt to the SAABO, okay. So
just a rubber.
Yeah. So you cover it with some of the leaves, okay. So you cover it like that, and you add water to it, then it goes on top fire. So we'll be using the stone to cover it. So we're washing it to take out the dirt. So basically the stones will put weight or pressure on the food to prevent the water from going inside the fire and also to prevent the leaf flour from coming out. So if you be using normal lid to cover your pan, then you need to be watchful. And also water was added or poured after the stone has been placed on the food. This will give you the right amount of water to be needed or to be used. If not, density will take place, and as soon as the stone goes on top of the food with the water will overflow and come out. I hope it makes sense. So once everything is set like this, and since we didn't soak our corn overnight, it will take about 2 hours for this food to get ready. Okay, so it goes on fire. Make sure that you have enough temperature under the fire, and you'll be checking from time to time to see the amount of water needed. If the water is absorbed or is being drained, you need to add more water to it so that until everything gets ready. So it's been 2 hours of boiling this, and whilst boiling, you need to add water to it, okay, to keep it boiling. And as you can see, we have it ready. Abian. I'm being a good job. So testing to see if it's ready now. Okay, so we have one over here, and as you can see, this is the SAABO. Yeah, we're gonna cut the SAABO. Yeah, so it looks like this. Amazing. This is a super snack in Ghana in the afternoon, and man, you love it, Uncle. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If today is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. And I believe after watching this video, you can also make your own CORN SAABO at home. Yeah, okay, let's meet again. For Shizzle Maneza, I'm out.
The mess rules. Semi this the Kakoma Madofo and I'm a Bushna for Ewa Ghana. They defer tap send.
This is here, this is tap at the best so far.
I didn't see some yes, and this Kakofia, not a tap.
Tap send will be out down the up now. Cannot master for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to tap send.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Like you get to resolve secured experience. When I've never had any issue.
Tap send and no one abotre phone in a yajiatum. Tap send. Papa no.